Never did.
You teach an old dog new tricks.
Dad, where did you save her from?
I don't know what he's talking about.
She would have married an Indian.
Dad.
Oh.
Imagine you
Ma,
married
he
him.
still won't answer me.
I don't know. He says his wife's cracked. But I
Yeah.
don't know why.
Margaret.
Nothing,
Mark, I said she would have married
You
an
mean for
Indian.
us from jealousy?
He was already married to Florence.
Oh, I got Dizzy doing that.
Oh.
Was he nicer when she was younger? I'm not
He
sure.
sure
Was
was.
he like easier going?
Well, he liked me.
he was always the
Aunt
same?
Seal says.
He was all.
Ma,
He
Aunt Seal.
wasn't always that mean.
Yeah.
Ma, Aunt Seal says she likes her.
Yeah, was she crazy?
Maybe he liked her. He hated the seal.
Yeah. She didn't do that. My two brothers did. Marty and Bill.
Oh.
Joe threw
What?
the paint out the window.
Yeah, right.
Did he?
No, I never heard
You know
that
he's busting on your brothers?
He
Yeah.
told the story to the two ministers.
Yeah, I
at my
know.
mother's wake. She said, yeah, my father, Pa, I need paint.
Whose
He
way?
gave me-
Your mother's?
Yeah.
Oh.
And she said, I paint the room. I got halfway done. I was tired. I threw the paint out the window. And my father goes, how come? Where? He said, I ran out of paint.
Joe was always mischief kid. Not bad. Come on, stop it.
You mean my mom?
He come home and make sure all the doors were unlocked.
Yeah.
His father's gonna beat the hell out of him no matter what. He always had to have an escape way.
Yeah. He goes, is the back door open? Is the cellar door open? Yeah, they're all unlocked. Joe. Chris, please don't do that.
What are you talking?
Yeah, but I don't want that.
Why?
What?
Why did he beat him?
Because somebody went up to him and said that, oh, I saw your son riding a bicycle and stopped on jamming. Oh.
He didn't have a bike. He stole the bike.
No, that was his bike, and you should see what he did to it, my father, when he came home. Chris, will you stop?
What are you talking?
I don't want you looking at me like
That's
that.
abuse.
Now stop.
They were abused?
Yeah.
Ma,
Huh?
you were abused?
Abused? What do you mean abused?
You know,
He didn't-
abused.
No, he beat the shit out of Joe.
That's abuse.
Well, then they didn't, it wasn't.
That's
Chris.
why their nerves.
It was
That's
called-
why their nerves were like that.
Yeah, it was called discipline.
Yeah. He was better than
He got the
You can't
axe.
do that now to a kid.
He got the axe, and you know how the wheels are with all those spokes?
Yeah.
He broke every one
You
of them.
watched?
No, we went down and saw it after to look at it. Chris, if you don't stop, I'm going to go home, okay? Now
What's
stop.
he doing?
There's the camera on
But
me.
he's filming you.
You're talking.
I don't want it on me.
Now put it over there when you're
Well,
talking.
go ahead. Put it on your mother.
But she's not talking.
I know. How are you?
He got many a beating.
But you were talking.
What, you want to go?
Oh, no.
He's making me nervous.
That concludes this episode.